Alright, this video is to update you guys on the oil consumption slash burning, as well as the contents of the oil catch can that we now have installed on the 2012 Prius 3rd Gen. So first we're just going to go and check and see what our oil level's at. Right now, well, let's just do, just for good measure, we'll wipe it nice and clean. We'll do it a second dip to get a better reading, the best reading we can do. Okay, so you can see it's probably about a quarter of the way between the low and the high mark. And when we started, we were right in the middle. So it hasn't burned much. That's actually not bad. Right now, we're sitting at about 7,000 miles. So that's really nothing to worry about there. That's pretty typical. What does this vehicle have? 100 and how many thousand?
166.
So like roughly 166,000 miles. That's really not bad at all. That's pretty good. And so then we're going to, well, let's see, what we say is roughly like, that's probably not even a half a quart of oil right there. So we're gonna check the condition of the oil catch can components and also check the contents. The hose that came with the kit here is not looking so great. It kind of flattened out, and you can, because it's clear, you can see that there's some dark oil contents in there. We're gonna probably replace that with like a regular black rubber oil resistant material, but we'll get to that another time. So we're gonna check the dipstick and see. This dipstick is just black, so it's not super easy to see what's on it. I think maybe the best way I can do it is to give it a quick dip and then kind of lay it on the paper towel. So you can see, yeah, it barely just reads on the dipstick, so there's not that much in there. But we're still going to remove it. We're going to unclamp the hoses because this is a tight fit. And so we're going to unclamp the hoses, remove it, and then we'll show you what's inside. Alright, so we got our catch can out, and it's time to empty out the contents and see what we have. So it registered about to the low mark on the dipstick here. So let's see what that amounts to. Oh. Alright, so we definitely got some oil. Ah, there we go. Not a huge amount, but it's definitely something there. A little dirty, not too bad, but pretty normal. But all of that now is collected and can be dumped instead of going through our engine and mucking it up. So that's a good thing. Now we can just screw it back together and reinstall it. And we'll check it again on the next oil change. So we got our catch can reinstalled, hoses hooked up again, clamps tight. So we're just going to continue to follow this process and check the oil regularly, check the contents of the oil catch can. We originally made these videos to address concern that people had with oil consumption and oil getting dumped into the intake manifold. So far everything looks pretty normal. I mean, there is oil going into the engine, but that's basically how these engines were designed, as long as it's a minimal amount, which it looks like that's the case with this one. On the 2010 models, those seem to be the ones, at least as from what we see on the forums, that they have more oil consumption and more oil getting dumped into the engine. So you want to watch out with those in particular. On the 2012, it seems to have been updated, redesigned, improved. So the problem doesn't seem to be there, or it's definitely not as significant. I think that about wraps it up.